Alright, so got some air in the tires. Everything else is checked. See if she starts up. So, just got the Halcyon ready to go. And so far, she is shifting good, sounding good, no problems. So, she doesn't really have that much trouble getting up there in speed. See, when I first bought this bike, this is my first motorcycle I ever owned, right? And I didn't know, because it doesn't have an RPM gauge, I didn't know how high I could rev her out. And so I probably babied the hell out of this thing for the first year that I've owned her, and I bought my Kawasaki Versys 300, and that thing you can rev all the way out to like 12,000 RPMs. So what happened is I decided to take old Janus out for a ride, and I was revving the hell out of her, revving it up higher and higher, and I noticed, wow, there's so much more power in this little motor that I just wasn't feeling before. This road sucks, by the way. All the roads here suck, but this one has a nasty dip right there. Oh yeah, I discovered that, man, I could take this little motor up high in the RPMs and it loves it. So feels good. So this is my first motorcycle purchase. I bought it 2 years ago, so in 2017. I bought it in February. I found them on Facebook, the company, Janus Motorcycles. And I looked at their page, went out there 2 weeks later. I didn't even have my motorcycle license at the time. I brought a buddy with me who had his. My buddy took the bike for a ride for me. He told me that the bike was great, it just felt great. He came back, he had a big smile on his face, and you know, he owns a Harley. So I figured, he had a big smile on his face, and I figured that, man, he's smiling for what reason? A, the bike completely sucked and he's laughing at me, or B, the bike is awesome and he's happy for me. And it ended up being that the bike is awesome and he's happy for me. He took the bike for a ride and he came back and said, man, this bike is great. So I just went with my gut instinct, and my gut instinct was to put a down payment right there on the bike, which I did. And the thing is, when they were building these bikes at the time, they were back ordered. I purchased the bike in February and got it in July. So that is like a really bad feeling when you want something so bad and you have to keep waiting, you know. But it was worth the wait. I will tell you, it was worth the wait. Well worth the wait. When I went to go check out the bike, I was kind of just shocked at the way the bike is made, the people who are making it, and how everything is just like one big community. It was something that I've never really seen before in a company. I've always heard of companies like this, right? And I've never really seen it. So when I seen this, I was really happy. Really happy that I was going to be part of a company. You know, I'm helping support a company that is making amazing machines, American made, you know, in this small town. So I am going to do a review on this bike, you know, take some nice shots of it, film it a little bit. No problem, guys. That's windy. What a fun day. This is so much fun. Woo, that's a hole. Oh man. Turn around because that was fun. Look at those signs, people taking out signs. Go check out my vlog that I did like a week and a half ago. My Janus vlog. A little more video of the bike and more detail on the Discovery Days that they host there. There's going to be a Discovery Days next weekend. I will be attending it. I'm going to test ride the Phoenix 250, and I believe I'm going to take the Griffin 250 for a spin also. Got a cop. People pulled over. Look at this. There you go. Take the family out. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. I'll be making a vlog, like I said, next week at Janus. Or maybe, you know what? This week is going to be nice weather. Maybe I could make another vlog. Moto vlog then. But till then, I'll see you guys later. Nice. Next week's going to be nice, so I'll probably shoot another vlog on my motorcycle. I'm gonna be riding out the Janus on the Kawasaki, I'm hoping. So if the weather's nice, you know, only if the weather's nice. And so yeah, next week I'll be riding the bikes around. Maybe I'll make a vlog, but I would definitely next weekend be making a vlog at Janus Motorsports. And if you guys are... Alright, next week I will be making a vlog riding the bike around. Next week the weather's supposed to get nicer, so that's going to be good. I'll be riding the bikes around. If you guys like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helps. If you guys could do that, it's highly appreciated. And ride safe. See you guys later.